Hello everybody. Good afternoon team. Am I audible now team? So, yes, I can. Um, yes, Ravi Kiran. You can unmute now.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Hello, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am. Ma'am, actually, I am doing internship, right, ma'am. Today, I received one mail that normal PJP orientation session. So, after attending that session, they informed us that for them, we have given the call of this orientation session, like they informed, ma'am, in today's meeting. But actually, I am doing internship. Either I have to continue with internship or that normal PJP orientation session. I didn't understand, ma'am. In that session, they have informed all about PBL access and all.
That is orientation session for joining.
No, no, ma'am. That is for only PJP. Those who are not doing internship and velocity, some members are there, ma'am. For them, they have sent one mail regarding PJP orientation.
Okay, just understand from next session if you get any mail. Just understand what is that they are doing.
They are giving PBL access, ma'am. But I am currently doing internship right now, ma'am.
Then you have already finished, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Then you can ignore that.
Okay, ma'am. It means that I have to continue with this internship only, right, ma'am?
Right.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Hello, ma'am. Good afternoon.
Yes. Good afternoon.
I have some errors with test engine, ma'am. Can I share my screen?
Yes, you can share.
Ma'am, can you see my screen? Hello?
Yes, it is visible. What is the
Once I am running this. Here, one failures, ma'am.
Okay. Now it says search for Java expected Java but found fast. So that is an assertion error. Even for what? Yes, is an assertion error.
Ma'am,
It's not that your program is what you see. You have given an assertion, assert equals. What that will do?
it will check whether both the values are equal or not.
Right. So what it is saying is Java expected Java but found past. So remove that past there. Give only string 1 and L string 2. Those are the two you are verifying, right?
Yes, ma'am. Both are Java.
Remove past there. Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Remove past there. Assert equals. Yeah, I have given a string past, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, I give.
Remove that. Just keep str1, str2. That's it. 7.
Yes, ma'am.
And it says past
Yes.
1.
Yeah.
What it does is it was comparing earlier past with str1.
Yes, ma'am.
That's
I
why
understood.
assertion is good. Right.
Thank you, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am. Can I share my screen?
Yes. Yes, Omkar.
Ma'am, I want to how to calculate. 1 second. Ma'am, how to write absolute X path?
Absolute X path is what? So you need to write the X path from the beginning, isn't it? So when you wanted to identify that username text field, you start from that HTML. HTML body, and then what is the next one? Start this div, right? Screen is not actually very.
First of all, ma'am, HTML, then body, then div,
And then div of
then
2. Div of 2 because there are 2 divs, right?
yes, ma'am.
Both the child nodes are having same name div. So you have to use div of 2. Square brackets you have to give 2. Okay. Div of 2. And then
Yes.
div form. And then you have P
Ma'am,
twice again. P of 2.
can you write? I have your control of screen.
You type it. Give div of
Ma'am,
2.
I write this HTML div.
HTML body div square brackets 2. And
Then
slash. Come back and see what is there next. Div of 2. And then again div, right? So div form P
yes,
of 2. Div slash form slash P of 2.
slash P of 2, ma'am.
I said div. See, inside div 2, again there is one more div, right? So give div slash form slash P of
P of
2. Because there are 2 child nodes with same P, right? P of 2. Come back. And then it is input. Now click on that search symbol. Okay, otherwise try that. If you click on search symbol, it will highlight.
yes, ma'am. It's working fine. Thank you.
Welcome.
Hello, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Ma'am, I have a query that today I have received a PJP orientation session, ma'am.
Okay.
In that meet, they have said that who had not participated in internship or velocity, for them only they send mail, ma'am. But I have doing internship, ma'am. But I have received the mail. So what I have to do, ma'am?
You tell them that I am already doing internship. Respond to them saying that I am already doing internship.
Ma'am, in
Sorry,
that
ma'am.
meet, we cannot speak it, ma'am. That's it.
Yes,
That's
ma'am.
the problem, ma'am.
And a few members only they got that mail, ma'am. Those who are doing internship for them not received this mail, ma'am. Very few, ma'am. 2 members or 3 members like that.
Ma'am, I am also receiving that mail.
But they were giving access from Saturday onwards, ma'am, in PBL.
Are you having access already?
Yes, ma'am. Currently we have access and we are doing internship also, ma'am. But they were telling that those who are doing internship for them only we have given this call. So you have to do access on Saturday, like that they were telling them. But currently we are in internship now, ma'am. Only few members, 3 to 5 members, like that they received the mail, ma'am.
Okay. So you respond to the email saying that we are already undergoing internship program.
Okay,
For
ma'am.
manager.campus or PJP internship, ma'am.
PJP, you got this PJP Connect email from which mail?
PJP, ma'am.
Yeah, respond to them only.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. Thank you.
Okay. So, team, all of you are done till test NG or not? I have given you the links for Maven and Cucumber also, isn't it, team? Can you all confirm? Yes. So, have you all finished it? I see some of you have asked questions on test NG. Very good. But I also wanted to understand from your mind whether you have completed JUnit test NG and Maven BDD Cucumber. I have sent all the links. I just request one of you to send the links once again. JUnit test NG, it is nothing but Selenium last video. And I have also sent you Maven BDD Cucumber links as well. I just request one of you to share it. Thanks. Thanks, Nitin. So, team, please work on these. Once you are done till Cucumber, you may please let me know. Or in between, if you are having any issues, you can let me know. Okay. It is not that you will work only during this 3 to 5 session team. You can also, spend some time even much before the session also, so that you will be able to finish. Okay. And you can ask just the queries in the call, because videos are accessible throughout the day. So you need not wait for this session to go through the video. Okay.
Good afternoon, ma'am. I have a query.
Yes, Raghav. Still.
Ma'am, can you please explain the iteration in the dictionaries?
What? Sorry?
Iteration in the dictionaries.
Iterator.
Looping over the dictionary.
You're
Excuse me,
talking
ma'am.
about Java iterator.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Did you go through collections topic, the
Yes,
last
ma'am.
video of Java? Okay,
Yes.
share your screen, whichever program you wanted to just.
Yeah, just a
Next.
minute.
Yeah, you can share this.
Ma'am, is it visible?
My screen is very small.
Ma'am, is it visible?
Yeah, it is visible.
Ma'am, I have written this. I don't know, like, I'm not understanding the conditions written over here, ma'am.
But
I've taken the help of.
dictionary, see, in whatever we have discussed, we didn't discuss about dictionary, right? Talking about the collections classes
Collections,
only.
yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. We have discussed only the collections, but in the project, I wanted to use this dictionary thing. So I thought of using this and taking help
Okay.
of you. if required.
Okay. Tell me, what is your problem here?
This enumeration part one, ma'am. Like this is written over here, and we are looping over this one dot elements. This thing I didn't get it, ma'am. Enumeration part.
For enumeration, I equals to dictionary object dot
Element.
elements is okay. Just a second.
Okay.
But from which package have you imported that enumeration class?
Java.util.star. This package I have created my own project and then I have imported the java.util package.
No, I'm asking about enumeration. Whatever
Enumeration,
enumeration.
I haven't imported anything for enumeration.
Because enumeration is ideally an interface, as I remember.
Okay. But when I hovering around this, it isn't showing me anything. So I thought it's just a name error or something like that. Or else, is there any other method to loop over this dictionary now?
Okay, first the enumeration, that error has to be resolved, right? Because that's an
Yeah.
interface. Can you specify that type there? Can you give angular brackets after enumeration?
It cannot be parameterized with arguments itself.
Type enumeration. Type E there, uppercase E.
Inside this bracket now.
Yeah, inside those brackets. But this is from very old version, right? What type of values you have there? Can you give dict one in your
Where
dictionary object inside these brackets?
common dictionary one now.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Can you leave the meeting if we don't have any doubt?
That is fine, but ensure that you finish the activities.
Okay, ma'am.
But here you are using a dictionary, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Factors and all we have used.
Ma'am, is there any alternate way to store keys and the values in the same interface, ma'am? Like similar to dictionary, we are having a hash map. So should I use that? Or?
Yeah, that is what. Instead of going for dictionary, is it mandatory to use dictionary?
No, ma'am. Not mandatory, but I wanted to store a key and a value in a storage place, ma'am. So I chose dictionary. I am not familiar with the hash map, so I chose this.
Yeah, go with hash maps, no?
Oh, okay. I'll try it and I'll
That
let
is
you know.
much
Like if I have any other problem, I'll share the screen.
yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
There also we will deal with the same key and value, same put
Yes.
methods and all.
Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay. So team, I'll just be back in 10 minutes team. There are few questions in the other batch. I'll just be back. In between you can put your questions in the chat here if you have any. Yes, team. Type Muhammad, you can share your screen. Anybody has any other issues, you can let me know. So, can you maximize the Eclipse IDE? Type Muhammad, can you maximize the Eclipse IDE screen?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Wait. Yes, ma'am. Okay, option. Ma'am, is it visible?
Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah, okay. Yes, tell me that. Good that you are working on cucumber part.
Ma'am, here I am running the program, but I am getting an error.
Okay. So the runner is a feature equals to feature. So the folder name is just feature, right?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, here I am not able to add jar files of Selenium, ma'am.
Feature. You're not able to?
Add Selenium jar files, ma'am. That 7 jar files are there, no? That byte buddy, common exe, Java, like that.
Why? What happened?
Ma'am, they told that these are available in Maven, Maven that website, but these are not available only when one jar file is downloading.
Okay, is this a Maven project or a normal project?
Normal, ma'am.
Normal project. Then you directly go to build path and add it, right?
Ma'am, I am not able to download, ma'am. I know how to add, but these are not downloading only, not available. As I am following
Okay,
the video as shared.
okay, we will see that Okay, you do one thing then. Create a Maven project.
Yes, ma'am.
Then, so if it is a Maven project, then it is much more easy for you.
Okay, ma'am. I will try it.
I will share that form.xml file.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, right now, what is the error? You show me that. Let me see.
Wait, ma'am. I will run.
This is your runner class. Okay.
Ma'am, here. Initialization error is showing.
Initialization error. Bottom, what does it say? Class no definition founder. Cucumber plugin.
Yes,
Cucumber io.cucumber plugin is not installed. Can you go to, is Cucumber plugin installed or not? Go to help marketplace, Eclipse marketplace.
wait. Help marketplace.
Eclipse marketplace.
Yes, ma'am.
Type Cucumber.
Wait. It is loading, ma'am. Yes. Now,
Yes. Enter.
ma'am, installed.
Does it say it's
अम्मी दादी बुला रहे थे.
close this Eclipse marketplace. Then what is the error? Read it completely. In the failure trace,
क्या मैम?
go to that failure trace and read completely. No class
Failure trace.
definition found error.
Ma'am, here it is. I have highlighted on feature. It is showing that. Wait, ma'am. It is showing that, ma'am, this element has neither has attached source or not attached Java doc,
That
and hence no Java doc could be found. Means, ma'am.
is not a problem.
Yes, ma'am.
Click outside. Now here, go to that JUnit Explorer bottom. You have a failure trace. Right. Read that error completely. Says Java lang dot no class definition found error. IO/cucumber plugin event publisher.
Yes, ma'am.
So yeah, copy that. Right click on it. So basically, that respective jar file is missing.
Yes, ma'am.
You need to download that.
Yes,
Copy
ma'am.
that. Go to Google and search for this error. It will give you few links where it will ask you to download. The screen is
Okay.
not showed. I think your Chrome browser is not. Browser may not be showed. You understood what I told?
Yes, ma'am. I have copied the error and I will paste it in Google and I will get.
Just check it. It might ask you to download some jar.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Download that and add. Yeah. Okay.
Thank you. Shall I stop sharing, ma'am?
Yes, you can stop. Muni Kumari, can you please explain Selenium ID 2 hands-on? What is that? You can share your screen. Raju, no, it is not mandatory. If you need internship, you can. Oh, you should know that whether your college is asking for an internship or not. It is not mandatory for onboarding or joining Wipro. Muni Kumari, are you there? It's up to you, Bhagya Raju. But you just verify. Did you sign any agreement with Wipro that you will be doing internship and all? If you have already got onboarding and joining and you have no need for internship certificate, you can drop. But ideally, once you have joined, you can continue it, right? What is the problem? So, Muni Kumari, yes. You can unmute and speak, Muni Kumari. Okay, so these things you need not do it in Selenium IDE. This is because Selenium IDE in the latest version it will not support JavaScripts. Customized JavaScripts are not supported. You just directly you can move on to
This application is not working, ma'am.
localhost. Yeah, instead of localhost, use pet store.
Ma'am, how to change this value to dollar, ma'am, in ID?
Which one?
This one, ma'am. The value of any one item to dollar.
So I'm just giving you the link. So access this link and see whatever the pet store application. You will find few products like pets. Pets are what you will. Sorry, URL is not completely copied. It is petstore.octopus.com. Okay.
Ma'am, it is also pet store application, ma'am, but not working, ma'am.
Yeah, that will not work. That is the reason I am giving an alternate URL.
Ma'am, in that we are not finding any values, ma'am. Just their product numbers. That's it, ma'am.
No, but once you add to cart, price of that is not given
Ma'am, the price also in dollars, ma'am. Then
in
how?
dollars. Then
Yes,
you
ma'am.
convert it to rupees. Then
Ma'am, how, ma'am?
that you do manually. You just do it in WebDriver, not a problem.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, because some of the
This one.
features are no more available in IDE. So,
Okay.
which you could not able to do in IDE, you can do it in WebDriver.
Ma'am, this one, ma'am. Variety of pets available at menu table.
Display it on console as well as on. Okay. What is that?
Ma'am, we have to display the variety of pets in the menu tab, ma'am.
Yeah, that means the names. Capture the names using XPath.
Then how can we display it on the tab, ma'am?
You just display on console, that is enough.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, can you please tell this any one
This
example?
reverse of the string and all, you do it in WebDriver itself. That means using regular Java, reversing the string and all, right? Using the string buffer
Okay.
class, you do these things because IDE may not support these because of the version update. So go with WebDriver.
Okay, ma'am.
And this JavaScript user extensions are not supported.
Ma'am, this one, ma'am.
This also you cannot
Create a
do it in-
user defined command to perform login module.
No, this you cannot do it. Okay, so ideally in the previous versions of Selenium IDE, we were able to
Yes, ma'am.
create our own commands. We saw the commands, right? Like click, clear,
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
type, and all those. Like that, we can create our own command, user-defined command. But now that feasibility is removed, so now
Okay,
we
ma'am.
will not be able to add. So you can ignore them.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Try to do some of these things in WebDriver, and then you can directly skip to WebDriver module. You can stop sharing, Kumari.
Ma'am, I have one doubt in test suite assignment, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me.
1 minute.
I see only your PBL. I mean, that browser is only displayed. You have to, I think, stop sharing and share screen again. Big screen. Ayush, I have already shared the links. Team, one of you just share the links of these locators. Selenium IDE. I can see your Eclipse screen, Kumari. Tell me.
Yes, ma'am. This one, ma'am. Ma'am, I am using Maven, ma'am.
Okay, very good.
Ma'am, I am executing all test cases, ma'am. But here, when I am executing this, I am getting error like this, ma'am. Initialization error, ma'am.
JUnit, class. What does it say in the failure trace?
Ma'am,
In the failure trace, what does it say? Invalid test definition. Is it? What does it say? Go to look at the bottom failure trace.
yes, ma'am.
Is that read it completely? Invalid test?
Invalid test class error.
That means
Test.
the class name, whatever you have given,
Yes, ma'am.
that is incorrect. My unit demo 1 and employee demo. The names correct, class names. Just verify.
These names, ma'am. Employee demo.
My
My unit demo.
1. You said my unit demo 1. Is that existing or not?
Yes, ma'am. Existing, ma'am.
My unit
This one, ma'am.
demo. The other one is
My unit demo, ma'am.
employee demo.
And employee demo.
Okay. Both are there involved. Don't give the package names as this. Where is this class located? And all this.
Which one?
It is saying that they run once again.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. JUnit run as model invalid test class error. No runnable method. Can you give me the control?
Yes, ma'am.
Invalid test.myunitdemo. Where is the test.myunitdemo?
Which one, ma'am?
See, here it is running some other thing is what it is running, because it is saying it's talking about something else.
Ma'am, it's showing about package name, ma'am. Invalid test class. Test suite, ma'am.
Testsuite.myunitdemo. Demo. Do one thing, rename the package name.
Yes, ma'am.
Instead of test suite, you say test suite example.
Okay, ma'am.
Test suite package. My unit demo. Take the control. You get back the control.
No, ma'am.
I don't know. Your options have changed. Stop control. Yeah, I gave the control back to you.
Yes, ma'am.
Go back to your Project Explorer.
This one.
Click on test suite package. Say refactor.
What I
Refactor.
have.
Refactor.
Yes, ma'am.
Rename. Just add EX1. EX something. Okay.
And package name should be small.
Hmm. Select JUnit test. Just say valid class test suite example one. My unit demo. Go to my unit demo.
Yes, ma'am.
run this individually as a JUnit test case. Right click here.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Individually is working fine, ma'am.
Go to test suite class.
Yeah.
Go to your all test suite.
Yes, ma'am.
Remove the first one and see whether remaining two are running. Right click, run as JUnit test.
Yes, ma'am.
What does it say? Run test. JUnit demo one. Suite class. What is the next line it says? No runnable methods. Java. Copy that from no runnable methods. You just copy that and leave it in the chat.
Yes, ma'am.
Ayush, nobody have shared the recorded links. I think just some time back, some of your friends have shared the links. Okay, Moni Kumari, let me just give it a check on this and I'll get back to you.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, shall I stop sharing?
Yeah, you can start. So, Munikumari, you have at the rate test annotations, right, in those classes?
I'm sorry, ma'am.
Hello? Am I
Hello.
audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have at the rate test annotation in those respective classes?
No, ma'am.
That is important, right? To make your program as an at the rate, as a test.
Ma'am, can I share the screen, ma'am?
Yeah, share it. Which version of JUnit are you using?
Ma'am, 1 minute, ma'am. This one, ma'am. 4.13.1.
Can you give me the control?
Yes, ma'am.
Is this run debug coming automatically? You have three certificates. Expand that Kumari, can you hear? Hello.
Hello, ma'am. Hello, ma'am.
Am I audible now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. See, you're using test-ng inputs. That is the problem. There is no JUnit test input. You got the point?
Yes, ma'am. How to use that?
You comment the test-ng import statement, line number 3.
Yes, ma'am.
The other one also. Now mouse over on test. You should get import statements from JUnit.
Ma'am, I'm not getting, ma'am.
Comment the other one also, test-ng annotations.
Yes, ma'am. I comment this one, ma'am.
Line number 6, yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Now mouse over on @test. Import
Yes.
from JUnit. If you are doing JUnit test suite, you have to ensure that that is a JUnit test. And all the others also import only from JUnit packages.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, now it should work.
I will change for others also. 1 minute.
Sure. Yes.
Ma'am, any changes here, ma'am?
That's it, run it. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Right.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome.
Shall I stop sharing?
Yes, you can stop sharing. Yes, team. So we can leave for the day. We will connect again in tomorrow's session, team. For tomorrow, I just wanted the status update from all of you, team. If you are done till BDD Cucumber, then probably we can have the Jira session, team. Okay. So Jira video is also available. I will share in tomorrow's session. Okay. Thank you all, team. We'll connect tomorrow.